Texas Brew Crafters. Today we're going to be cracking a Turning Point Sugar Pucks, a brand new brew from Turning Point Beer in Bedford, Texas, and it's coming up. Hey guys, this is Jason over here at Texas Brew Crafters, and on this channel we like to do beer reviews, craft beer reviews from all over the great state of Texas. But you know what? We're probably going to be doing some new stuff upcoming too. So put your comments below and let me know where you would like to see beer reviewed from. So today I picked this up about less than a week ago. Turning Point Beer in Bedford, Texas is really good about keeping stuff updated on their Facebook page, their social media, Instagram and Twitter as well. And they released a new beer called Sugar Pucks, and it looks like I'll get a close-up, a better screenshot here. The green screen's messing with the label, but it looks like a hockey puck smacking around a donut. And at the bottom it says it's an Imperial Stout with vanilla beans, cacao nibs, maple syrup, and cinnamon. Now, if that doesn't get you excited, if you're a dark beer lover like I am, because I love porters and stouts and maybe some dark ales, and I had a black IPA last week for the first time. Well, it was the first time I had that black IPA. I had a new black IPA last week, I should say. I've had black IPAs before, but those things are kind of few and far between. Hard to find sometimes. And had one, really liked it. I was like, you know, it has that dark flavor to it without being too heavy, and a little bit of hops, but not what you would expect from an IPA. So it was good. I mean, you couldn't really complain with it. Not that anyone would listen to you anyway. But this one caught my eye because it had just a blend of flavors going on in it. Vanilla beans, cacao nibs, maple syrup, and cinnamon. That's why the picture of the donut is on the front behind the hockey puck. Definitely taste the maple syrup. Definitely have that. Slight hint of cinnamon on the back end. Very sweet. Sweet flavor, not overly sweet like you would think you're going to be sick at the end of eating a cake sweet. I don't really like sweet foods and desserts a whole lot, but sweet beer is okay to a point. You know, and everybody's opinions vary. Everybody's tastes are different. So what I consider sweet, some people might not consider sweet. I don't like barrel-aged porters and stouts typically because those are too sweet. But it's kind of a different kind of sweet than what you'd see in vanilla and maple syrup. This is definitely sweet, probably a little bit sweeter than most of the darker beers that Turning Point has done. But I don't think it's overly sweet. And I've only taken 2 drinks of it. It's not overpowering. It's not like it's like you're going in there and like drinking a liquid candy bar. I don't really care for that so much. But it's definitely a blend of flavors. Got a little bit of hint of vanilla, cacao nibs. Those are slight also. Maple syrup is what I taste the most with the cinnamon back in. That's probably the best way to describe it. It is a win. I have a stockpile of stouts from Turning Point. I have a whole row of cans because they sell cans in a 4-pack. So I go up there and buy a 4-pack, go home, you drink one, you wait a week or 2, you drink another, you wait maybe a couple of months, you drink another, and then you stockpile one. You save it for a rainy day. That's my MO. Some people may not do that. The other thing you can do is take the 4-pack home, drink them all on the weekend, and then go back on Monday or Tuesday and pick up another 4-pack and do what I just said. You know, that's always an option as well. But that is definitely if you're into darker beers and you like the vanilla and the cinnamon flavors, that is a definite win, as most beers from Turning Point are. Let me see if I've got a... Yeah, on the side of the can, okay, there it is. The side of the can has got a 12.2% alcohol by volume. And we're going to go over here and see if we can find it on Untapped. So on Untapped, you can follow us, TX Brew Crafters on Untapped. I'll be checking into this beer here in just a moment. Untapped has it listed as a 12.2% ABV, which is what it says on the can, but there's no IBU listed. Quite frankly, the bitters unit is so low, it probably doesn't even matter. You know, most porters and stouts have a low IBU because they're not very bitter, but that's okay. It's got a 3.86 out of 5 stars on Untapped, and it's only had 79 unique check-ins. I'm sorry, 77 unique check-ins and 79 total check-ins. So somebody checked into it twice or 3 times. And that's okay. Nothing wrong with that at all. But it is listed as as a stout Imperial double on Untapped. So always good. Definitely if you do donut pairings, this would be a great beer to pair with a donut, because if you're into like really sweet donut flavoring, take a bite of a donut, drink a swig of this, and you're all good. So, not something you would want to drink more than one of. Not something you would want to drink. Probably something you'd want to drink on a special occasion. Not what I would call a daily drinker. Again, opinions vary on that. People can have different opinions on what they want to drink, what time of day they want to drink it, whether it's like Saturday afternoon or 5 o'clock on a weekday, winter, spring, summer, fall. That's always a factor as well. Stout beers a lot of the times are only served during winter, which I don't personally agree with, because I like a really good stout beer 12 months out of the year. But opinions vary on that. Put your comments below. Let me know if you've had Turning Point beer. Let me know if you've heard of this one. And let me know what you think about it if you have. Thanks for watching.